Hello and welcome to a new topic. What is natural intelligence? Meaning of natural intelligence. The phrase natural intelligence is divided into two parts. The first one is natural and the second one is intelligence. But first, let me talk about what is natural. What do we mean by this word? It is something that exists in or is derived from nature, not made or caused by humans or artificial processes. It's very much clear. We have some more ideas. In other words, it refers to anything that occurs in the physical world without human intervention. So, what we come to the point is that natural is something that is not man made, man created, man processed. Its contradictory word is artificial. Natural versus artificial. Now, then, talk about intelligence. It is the ability to acquire, understand, and apply knowledge and skills. Intelligence further involves problem solving, helps us in reason out things, what we call reasoning, learning from experience, and adapting to new situations. When we put these two terms together, that is natural and intelligence, they form the concept of natural intelligence. Intelligence that is natural, intelligence that is not man-made. In other words, intelligence that is self-processed, self-created, and self-made. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.